Hi everyone, I'm Susan Walker. I'm your facilitator for Crisis to Community, our Menafee workshop on September 25th. I am so looking forward to seeing you next week, even though we're going to have to be virtual all day. But we are going to do this and we're going to do it together. I've been working with family educators for over the last 30 years. I've been at the University of Minnesota in the Parent and Family Education program for almost 15 years. But especially since this last spring, when I've had the opportunity to meet weekly with parent and family educators and early childhood educators in ECFE weekly through our Perfect Connections, it's been just the most amazing opportunity to get to understand what's going on, how we're experiencing these new changes, understanding what it means to the relationships that we build with families, challenges with learning with new technologies. And you know what? On September 25th, we are going to deal with all of these things together. So welcome, and I look forward to meeting you on September 25th and in Zoomland.